Hello and welcome to the Whirly Bloke channel. A few weeks ago I did a full build video for this FPV Source quad kit, and now it's time to find it a new home. Now, I don't usually do free giveaways on the channel, but Unmanned Tech, who kindly provided this kit for review, suggested it would be a fantastic way for someone to get this as an early Christmas present. If you haven't watched the build videos, they're a very detailed tutorial on building this quad, getting it all set up with all the correct transmitter and Betaflight configurations. And if you're new to the hobby, you'll probably find this very helpful, and I suggest you go and watch those videos. Now, whoever wins this will get the quad test flown by me, complete with props and an XM receiver. So all you'll need is a Taranis transmitter, some LiPo batteries, some FPV goggles, and you'll be pretty much good to go. And all you need to do to win this is to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. And you can leave as many comments as you like. You'll also need to make sure your channel subscriptions are public, just so that I can verify that you're subscribed. And I'll be picking and announcing a random winner in about a week. So if you fancy winning this awesome 5-inch quad that's ready to bind and fly, get commenting and subscribing. And a big shout out and thanks to Unmanned Tech for supplying this kit for review. Now, as always, thanks for watching, and if you found that useful, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And if it's your first visit, then please consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell to get notified when I post a new video. I'll see you next time.